Hello everyone, today I'm talking about this new application which name is on world, where we can just travel and earn some coins for the airdrop, or we can just simply withdraw this coin like your health app. So here is the interface. I will show you. This is the main interface. How I tell you how you can simply join in this, sign up in this application. Okay, simply you can just install from Play Store this application in Play Store and Apple Store, in both stores in mobile, for mobile. So simply in the link in my description, or you can just search on Play Store and get download this application, and just simply open this application, and I'll show you how you can join this. When you open this application, and you can see this interface in your mobile application, and you can just simply log in with your mobile number, select your country code and enter your mobile number and get OTP, and you can just simply sign up in this app, and you can just simply continue with Google. In safe and easy way is login with Google. Google is very simple and very easy for easy to use or sign up. So you can just simply log in with Google, and getting these types of interface, and click on escape, or you can just click on continue, and you can just simply do your thing. And there is some pop-up. You can just click here and skip it and read, and you click on arrow, and there is a tick mark on the screen, and go to tick mark, and there is an option for access your location. This app take in access of your location, so you can just simply give the access on this your mobile location, and you can simply give while using this app, and there is an interface. You can get this after the finish, and you can just simply click on do you have an refer code, and click on this, and you can just simply get this refer code entering entering thing. Then you can just simply enter my refer link and refer code in your application, and you can just get some bonus of in entering the refer code. And here is and getting this refer successfully entered, and you see these types of interface and all the completing the tasks, and you can simply click in this icon, and you can just and continue. Click on continue and open setting, and you can just give the permission of location in all, allow all the time. You can always allow this mm, allow for the location, and this application track your location and get, and then make sure your trip is start and easy, and just you can start your trip, and in your taxi, in your bike, in your walk, where you are going or what you are doing, just simply, if you are start your traveling, and you can just simply start driving, click on start driving, and this allow, and getting this start driving icon in swipe, and simply you are this getting this and you can just, I'm working right now, and in this particular app, you can just simply travel in your bus, in your bike, in your everything. You can everywhere you can just traveling in the bike or car. You can just getting this start, and if your travel trip complete, and you are just click on swipe the trip finish, and click on finish, you can get this interface, and you are just claiming your coin, and you can just simply uh, I will show you again. Here is an coins are showing your coins in this just particular app, in icon, and there is the all the data where you, how you can travel, how the fuel save, how the how many minutes you are traveling in this trip. So this is the all kind of information you are getting this in this app. So this app is very easy to use, and you can just simply earn simple money passively. So this is the thing you can do. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you guys for joining this app, and you will just simply earn more money like your health app.